Actually, okay lang kayo mahilak. Bro, okay lang kayo mahilak, bro. Okay lang yung kayo mahilak. Kay, that's part of life. Normal lang kayo na. In fact, if you're gonna read sa book of Psalms, I don't know if Nadia, someone already did that a few years ago. No? Gingon dire sa Psalm 6, chapter 6, verses 6 to 7, it says here, all night long, I flood my bed with weeping and drench my couch with tears. Grabe, si David sa una, nagahilak na po din sa una. So kung mahilak ka karon, tell the person beside you, that's okay. That's okay. Wala mo na. Di lang sa unlan, di lang sa iyang bed, pati sa iyang couch hilak siya. And the good thing about that, gisulti ni tanan niya kay Lord. This is David, right? Gisulti niya tanan ang kasakit niya, iyang kaproblema, iyan ang gidala sa Lord. Why? Ask me why. Why? Because God created each one of us here with emotions. Kung wala tayong emotions, mura tag AI, mura tag familiar, mura tag ChatGPT, mo istorya, di ba? Mura tag inana. Because even si God na siya emotions. Do you believe that? Na yung emotions si God?